AI agents just beat human records on a competitive coding benchmark. And that's only the start of today's stories. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Friday, May 15th, 2026. Prime Intellect ran Codex and Claude Code autonomously on the NanoGPT speedrun for 2 weeks. Over 10,000 runs on idle compute, both agents beat the human baseline. Claude Opus set a new record at just 2,930 steps. The catch? Agents still relied on existing human research. No original ideas yet. Anthropic's new paper drops a stark warning: if authoritarian governments lead AI development, global civil rights are at risk. Their prescription: tighten hardware controls and stop model theft, to keep the U.S. 1 to 2 years ahead of China by 2028. The stakes, they say, are existential. Veteran dev Lars Fay's essay calling agentic coding a trap hit the top of Hacker News. His argument: the workflow erodes the very skills you need to supervise AI. Anthropic research backs him up. Heavy AI users saw a 47% drop in debugging ability. Even Django's co-creator admits he's lost his mental map of his own apps. Airbnb is now shipping 64% of production pull requests with AI agents. 2 engineers shared their 15-minute agentic workflow playbook publicly, and it racked up over 5,700 bookmarks. Nearly 2/3 of production code at a major tech company is agent-assisted. Let that sink in. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWalt. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about AI agents replacing human benchmark holders in the comments. Give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.